everyone. So today we're going to do another fast meal prep hack. This meal prep is for individuals that just don't have time to cook in the kitchen. You know, you're counting your macros, you're trying to lose weight, and you know, when it comes to recipes, it's just too difficult to do. So this is something that's going to be fast, easy, and very convenient to do. So what I'm going to do today is I want to do beefless ground beef by Trader Joe's. This is how it looks like right here. All right, is really high in protein, pretty moderate in carbohydrates, super low in fat, and then we're going to use 2 bell peppers. All right, now one of the best things about bell peppers is that they're super high in vitamin C. So it's not oranges, okay? Everyone thinks that orange is a great source of vitamin C. Actually, bell peppers is a significant source of vitamin C. It's actually a superfood. Now on top of that, what we're going to do is first we're going to go ahead, start this up, get that going, get that pot nice and hot, and then we're going to grab some ingredients, okay? So first we need some nutritional yeast. This is for like your B12, some hot sauce because I like spicing it up. And did you know when you use hot sauce, this actually boosts up thermogenesis that actually helps with fat loss. All right, so that's something to think about when you want to add something spicy to your dish, okay? What else we're going to add is some parsley as well. Parsley is really good because it's a good seasoning, but on top of that, it actually helps cleanse the blood. So that's something to also know. The next thing we're going to do is some garlic, some mushrooms. All right, we're doing all this real time so you can see how fast it actually takes to make this. Some tomatoes, okay, and I believe that is it, okay? If I need something else, I'll let you know on the fly. Now, when it comes to prepping the bell peppers, I already kind of prepped it already. Only thing I did, and it really doesn't really take that much time, I was just kind of cleaning it off and just making sure these were fresh. But you just have to cut off the top and pull the core out, okay? So that's all you have to do for that, okay? That's all I did. Now, while this pan is warming up, what I'm going to do is go ahead and rip this out and put this into the pan, okay? So we're going to go ahead and use this knife. All right. And go ahead and push that in there, okay? Now what we're going to do is go ahead and grab some tomatoes. All right, I grabbed about 6 tomatoes. Rinse this off real quick. All right, rinse off your veggies, y'all. And then I'm going to go ahead and start slicing it right into the pan, okay? This is going to give it some more extra flavor. Also, there's tons of nutrients in these vegetables. And when it comes to vegan processed foods, you know, it's highly recommended to add some type of vegetable source to it, not just because vegetables are good for you, but also at the same time is healthy carbohydrates. And when it comes to some of these processed foods, for example, like the beefless beef that we're cooking right now, I think it's made from soy, you know, like isolated soy protein. So the thing is when we do any type of isolated soy protein, you could equivalent this as a protein supplement, okay? Like any type of pea protein supplement is pretty equivalent, okay? But the main reason what I'm trying to get at is that when you add carbohydrates to some type of protein source, it actually helps absorb the protein a lot more. So since this is processed and it's made from, let me just check, to double check, I mean it is processed, but yeah, it's made from soy protein, okay? So because of that, and because it's pretty much isolated, what you want to do is add some carbohydrates to that dish, and I would highly recommend do some type of vegetable, because first you're going to get more nutrients, and then second is the protein is going to absorb a lot better into your body, okay? So what we're going to do now is go ahead and start adding some of the seasoning. That's the end of the garlic right there. So add that in there. We could add in the parsley. All right. Right there. Some nutritional yeast. in some hot sauce. And you know what I forgot, which I just remembered. Let me shake this up. Some onions. Onions will be nice. And as you see, I really like hot sauce, okay? All right, so let's get that onion in there. All right, sorry guys, I'm taking a little long to find this onion. There you go. Go ahead and chop up the onion. Like I said, this is all real time, okay? And what I usually do is, to make me cook these meals really fast, I try eating the similar things every day, okay? Like, in the beginning, I used to eat the same stuff every day, but now I have like my own staple foods. Like, I already know what foods really work with me when I'm trying to burn fat, okay? So that's like something, you know, you'll learn over time when it comes to cooking these meals. I highly recommend just start cooking the same stuff until you master it, okay? And once you master it, then, you know, start switching out your food, because then when you're trying to get ready for work and, you know, you're trying to pick up the kids and take them to school or whatever like that, whatever that's going on in your life, and your life is just super busy, you know, you definitely want to have like certain meals already in your mind that you know you can cook really fast. And what I'm going to do so this doesn't stick is just add a tiny bit of water. That's it. I'll add a little bit more. Cool. There you go. All right, mix that up one more time, and then we're going to go ahead and cover, okay, and let that heat up and cook. All right. Now, what I'm going to do while this is warming up, I want to take these 2 bell peppers. I'm going to go ahead and move y'all over here so y'all can see what I'm doing, and go ahead and add this into the air fryer, okay? Just like that, probably like 10 minutes, okay? So, as you can see, it's only been 7 minutes already, and we already are halfway done. Now we're just waiting for the food just to warm up. This is how fast we can make these meals and how easy it is. It's very easy, and we're doing like stuffed peppers, as you can see. Now, if I wanted to do like some type of rice as well, and I want to keep my carbohydrates low because, you know, I'm trying to burn fat or whatever, then I would do something like this, which is the organic cauliflower rice. Then using regular rice, use cauliflower, all right? And if you see, the macros is very low, okay? You're only getting like 4 grams of carbohydrates for every 1/3, 1/4 of a cup, all right? So that's a good replacement if you definitely want to add some more rice. And if you want to do more vegetables, then I would do like spinach or kale, some type of leafy green. I mean, I could add some leafy greens in there if I wanted to, but today we're just really focused on keeping the carbs extremely low. Not like the spinach would really add any more carbohydrates, but I'm trying to save my vegetables for later, okay, for my smoothies. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put you, well, I'm going to put you on the tripod. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up. So this is something you can do as well, because I know when you're busy, you know, you don't want to make a mess either. And as you can see, it's really not that much mess right here. So I'm just going to go ahead, grab some stuff while everything's cooking, and that's it. And place it in the fridge and clean everything up. So just hold on real quick. So as you see, the onion there. All right. Clean this up real quick. Trash. All right. And see, that's it. I'm pretty much done. Just rinsing stuff off. This could be my utensil. And then And this is what y'all can do. This is how you make cooking very efficient. You know, y'all can just clean while you're waiting for everything to warm up. Okay. Nice little key. And as you can see, I'm doing this with one hand. All right. Now, the next thing to do now is go ahead and prep your dish. So let's go ahead and grab a dish or a plate that we can use. We'll use, since I'm wearing red, we'll use red. All right. So we're going to use this red plate. All right. Go ahead and match everything up. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and dry my plate. And now we wait. So so now when it comes to alternative, let's talk about some alternatives when it comes to stuffed bell peppers. Let's say you don't want a stuffed bell pepper, right? And you want it more like a salad, because I do this sometimes as well. So what I do is I use these baby bell peppers, as you can see, right? Just use some baby ones, and then after that, I can add in some romaine lettuce right here, all right? And lettuce is real low in carbs, all right? Let's check it out, actually. Whoops, sorry about that. But we're looking at, where it says carbs, you guys, 3 grams of carbs, all right, for 85 grams. And 85 grams of lettuce is actually like a big bowl, okay? It's like a bowl like this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It's pretty much a bowl like this. And then what y'all can do is just go ahead, do the same ingredients. You can add some cauliflower rice, and then just make it like almost like a bowl. You know what I mean? So let's check out the food now, because we're almost running out of time. As you can see, it's looking good. It smells good. All right, it's almost ready. As you can see the steam flying up and stuff like that. So it's almost ready, you guys. All right. Actually, let's taste it right now just to see where it's at. All right. Tastes really good. Extremely good, actually. And it's like 95% done. So let's go ahead and check out these bell peppers. See how that looks. A little bit more cooking. So this will be a meal prep that's going to last exactly 15 minutes. Okay, but we're pretty much done. So now we're just going to wait. But like I said, we can always do different replacements. Like, so that's like an alternative if you don't want to do like stuffed bell peppers. All right, you guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, place you on the tripod, so we can go ahead and end this video. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. It's pretty much ready to go. It's nice and hot. Change that for you. And then go ahead and stuff them, all right? And as you see, I'm just doing that, okay? It's actually pretty hot. All right, I'm rushing too fast. But, oh, man, I can't grab this. All right, let's grab some gloves, because it's burning my hands, all right? I know this is not official. I'm not no certified chef, all right? I'm just a regular guy trying to get some food in, all right? There you go. And I'm trying to make this fast and convenient for y'all. All right, and there you go. I got 2 stuffed peppers ready to go. Look at that. That looks delicious. And then with the rest, you could put it in a bowl and eat that separate, you know what I mean? But that is the end of today's fast meal prep hack. I hope y'all enjoyed. Comment down below if you want to see more. Peace.